Oh, what have we here? Happy Home, your symbol of quality. Oh, I wonder what this could possibly be. Oh, it's a box fan. Yeah. It's another box fan by McGraw Edison. I don't know how many of these I have now, but what's significant about this one is this is my first McGraw Edison fan to be of a store brand. Yeah, this is branded Happy Home. For those of you who don't know, this was a brand of the Woolworth department store. I don't know how many of us remember the Woolworth stores. They also had an affiliate store called Woolco. So yeah, I thought it'd be nice to add this to my collection of, to my fan collection, as well as my small collection of McGraw Edison box fans. You know, you can probably see in the camera, as you can see, the cabinet as well as the blade hub is avocado green. Yeah. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. As I said before, it's a nice avocado green. Pardon me a minute. Sorry about that. Yeah, as I said, it's a nice avocado green. And as you can see, it's got the holes on the side for a stand. My two Eskimo box fans don't have that. The only other one besides this one that has the holes for the standard is my big Toastmaster box fan, or both my Toastmaster box fans. As you can see here, I got that one, and there's the metal blade one in the box. There's the other side. As you can see, it's got a few dents in it, particularly up here. Small one over there, and a not so big one down here. And it's a little scuffed up here and there. Take it around to the back. There's the motor mount. Same old one-piece McGraw Edison motor mount with holes cut out for the vents. View the top. Little dings here and there. Still got the handle, like most of my McGraw Edison box fans do. And there's the controls. If you can see, this is a 3-speed. Yeah, this is the one standard 3-speed I have without the Venturi. Or metal blade one without the Venturi. You know, the other 3-speed metal blade fan I have is that one in the box, Toastmaster. Yeah, this just has that ring that has the has the speeds at the top. And this knob doesn't just turn to the speeds. It also seems to go whichever direction it chooses. I don't know why that is. And I did kind of turn it on doing that. This fan also has its fair share of rust, especially on the inside bottom. When I first got it, I thought it was really well rusted on the bottom, but appears most of what I saw was dirt and grime. You know, long thought that dirt and grime was all this rust, so. Even the grills are pretty rusty, especially the front grill. Back grill's also got some rust, but doesn't seem to be as bad as the front. Might not just be rust, but some of the paint wearing off. And the blades look like they need a good polishing too. As you can see, the hub is also avocado green, but not just the cabinet and the hub, but even the motor. Yes, even the freaking motor. So now we'll show it running. Here's high. As you can hear, it's got that famous McGraw Edison motor buzz starting up on high. The high speed seems to run a little slower than average. I don't know. Medium's still pretty average. And low. Yeah, low's also pretty normal. At least for these fans anyway. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And it's got a pretty good coast down time too. So there you have it. This is my 1970s happy home, which is made by McGraw Edison for the Woolworth department stores. So, thank you for watching.